Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Melissa and I hope you're all having a wonderful day. In this video, we're adding subtle autumn vibes to plain everyday candles. So sit back, relax, and introduce yourself in the comments. Let's get started. I think you'll agree that the projects in this video are fast and easy. None of them are permanent, all of them are reversible. So you are able to remake candles for different seasons, or just go back to a plain candle at any point in time and nothing is going to get damaged. Here you see me adding a few stickers that I received in a batch of different florals from Amazon in the spring, and I set these particular stickers aside because I thought they were more suitable for fall. So here we are. These are the plain or very clear back stickers, and they can be a bit of a booger to get the backing off of the sticker. I do have a short that I recently published showing you how to quickly and easily remove them. Despite the trouble that you might face pulling that backing off, the payoff is amazing, and you'll see here in just a moment how beautiful this candle looks with these stickers placed on here. They pretty much become a part of the project. They melt into whatever you're putting them on. They're just stunning. And here I'm just slightly varnishing them so that we can call this candle done. And here's a quick look at another candle that I did with different stickers in the spring. The next two smaller candles are going to be very fast and easy. In this first one, I'm using just a band of washi tape. I believe this measures 2 inches for the one that I chose. Just use or choose whichever washi tape makes you feel warm and fuzzy, whichever one is going to match the season that you're creating for. In a second, you're going to see that I've popped on a 1/4 inch strip of washi just to give it a nice finished edge. We're going to glue on a small pick of dried flowers, and then I'm going to once again put a second layer of that black washi on. And this is just going to hide some of the stem in the areas that I don't necessarily want it to be viewed, like there at the bottom. And then this candle is finished. The second small candle couldn't be any easier. I'm just taking a piece of Decoupage paper that I found in my collection in fall colors, and I'm going to Mod Podge it on here, smooth it out to make sure there are no wrinkles, and this candle is done. Moving on, we're going to wrap this candle in about a 3-inch strip of the brown leather or pleather from the Dollar Tree. And then I'm just going to put on a dried mum on the front and string up a couple of beads to give it a little bit more embellishment and a little bit more pizzazz. This one I think could actually go year-round. And if you guys are still with me, thank you so much for sticking in there. Please hit that subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up, comment below about which project is your favorite and what you would do differently if you think you'd create any of these, and hit that notification bell for me so you know every time I upload. And we are almost done, just 2 to go. This next one here is super easy. In fact, I should just let you watch it and see how I'm doing this. This one may not be for everyone, but I think it has its own appeal. This is just some wire jute that I'm wrapping around here and placing the knots in different directions to make it look a little bit more rugged. Our final candle upcycle is here. I'm going to glue a couple of these Dollar Tree leaves onto our sushi mat and add in some gold twigs that came in a pack of a larger bundle from Hobby Lobby, possibly Michael's last year. You could totally just spray paint a few random twigs gold if you like this look and don't have them. We added some pine cones, and this, my friend, is finished. Here's the final reveal of the candles during the day and lit up. And here they are at night lit up. Well, my friends, we have reached the end of this video. I hope that I've inspired you to create and warm up to the season. I hope I've inspired you to come back and see more in the future. You are always so welcome and appreciated.